Hi viewers, welcome to Yogi, the math tutor. I will now explain about real numbers and problems in exercise 1.3. So far we discussed about rationals and irrational numbers. So rational numbers is nothing but the numbers which are in the writing in the form of p by q, and where q is not equal to 0, and this set is denoted by the q. So irrational number means irrational number which are not represented in the form of p by q, they are called irrational numbers. The set is denoted by the q dash. So like example root 2, root 3, these all are the examples for the irrational numbers. Now what is real numbers? So real numbers, the collection of all rational and irrational numbers is called a real numbers. So and I explained you all natural numbers comes under rational numbers, and whole numbers comes under the rational numbers, and all integers. So these all are the part of the rational numbers. Next, I am explaining representing real numbers on number line through successive magnification. First number is 2.776. This number we are representing on the number line by using successive magnification. So for this, we actually generally where we will get this 2.776 between 2 and 3 you will get. So now draw the number line between 2 and 3. This is 0, 1. So I need 2 and 3. So already we know we have 10 millimeter between one unit. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is indicating 2.5. So this is 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. This is 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, 2.8, 2.9 and 3. So now look at here. So 2.7, where will get here between 2.7? Here we have, so this is 2.7. So we are focusing 2.7, and after 2.7 one more 7. So this will become this will come between 2.7 and 2.8. Now we need to focus on this 2.7 and 2.8. So we need to expand this 2.7 and 2.8. Why? Because 2.77 lie between 2.7 and 2.8. So we need to expand this 2.7 and 2.8. Again we need to take 10 millimeter. So 10 millimeters. So that is 2.7. This is number will become 7570. This is 80. So 2.71, 2.72, 2.73, 2.74, 75, 2.76, 2.77, 2.78, 2.79, 2.80. Now we need to choose 2.77. Here we have. So again after 7 we have 6. So this number next to 6 will come between 2.28 between 2.78. So now we need to focus 2.77, 2.78. So in the middle we will getting 2.775. 0, that is 0. Now next you will get 2.776, 2.777, next 2.778. So where you will get here after this is our required number. So like this we are finding the given number on the number line. So first is check the 2.7, you will get 2.7. After 7 you will get between 2.7 and 2.8. So expand these two numbers as like this. Again choose the 2.77. So 2.77, after that we have 6. So this 6 will come between 2.77 and 2.78. Now expand. This is 2.771, 2.772, 2.773, 2.774, 2.775. After that we have 2.776. So then this is our required number. Next question, we have 3.58 bar up to 4 decimal places. Why? Because that is 3.58 bar means 8888, so many will be there, but we require 4 decimal places, so 1 2 3 4, so we need to move this one. I mean, so we are representing this 3.5888 on the number line. So now where you will get 3.5 between 3 and 4, so draw the number line from first 3 to 4, that is 0 1 2 3, and expanding, I expanded 3 and 4 only, this will become 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9, 4, 3.1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 3.1, 3.2, 3.4, 3.5, like this, 3.6. So now you will get after 3.5 you will have 8. So this 8 where you will get between 3.5 and 3.6 you will get I mean between 5 and 6. Now focus on this 3.5 and 3.6 and expand this 3.5 and this 3.6. now this is 5060, so this is 3.55, this is 3.56, 3.57, 3.58, 3.59. so this is here we have 3.58, so this is 3.59. now you can expand these two numbers, so this will become 3.58, this is 3.59, 0 and 0. then next you will get 3 on next you will get middle number, you will get 3.5805, the next one 3.586, 3.587, 3.588, this is 3.589. so you can focus next to 3.588, so 589, so expand 3.588 and expand 3.589, take 0 and 0, expanding these two numbers, so this middle number you will get 3.5885, so this is 5886, this is 3.58867, this will become 3.5888, so this is our required number. So this is our required number. Next, exercise 1.3, first problem. Visualize 2.874 on the number line using successive magnification. So this 2.874 come between 2 and 3. So now you should focus between 2 and 3. This is 0, 1, 2, 3. Sorry, it will come between 2 and 3. So this is 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, 2.8, 2.9. This is 2.4, 2.3, something 2 point like this. So between it is here I have 2.8. So this is 2.8 and 2.9. So next number is 7. So this 7 is coming between 2.8 and 2.9. So expand, this is 2.8 and this is 2.9. The middle number you will get 2.85. Why? Because it's 0 is 0. Next you will get 2.86, 2.87, 2.88, 2.89. Next 2.84, 2.83, 2.82, 2.81. Now here we have 2.87. Here we have 2.87. So next to 4 is there. So it will come between these two numbers. So expand these two numbers. That is 2.87. The next number is 2.88. So that's 0, 0. The middle number will become 2.875. So this number is 2.874. The next number is 2.873, 2.87, 2.872, 2.871. So here we have 2.874. So this is our number. So like this we are representing the number using successive magnification. Next question. visualize 5.28 bar on the number line up to 3 decimal places. Here the given question is 5.282828 so on, they given bar, but we need to write up to 3 decimal places, so we require 1 2 3, so we don't want here, so we need to represent 5.282 of the number line now. So this 5.2 comes between 5 and 6, so now magnify this 5 and 6, visualize this 5 and 6, the middle number is 5.5, this is 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, 5.4, 5.6, 5.7, 5.8, 5.9, 6. So where we have 5.2 here, so here we have 5.2. Now after 2 we have 8, so it will come between 5.2 and 5.3. So you can visualize these two numbers, that is 5.3, next one is 5.2. the next number is middle number is 5.200, so it will come to 5. So this is 5.26, 5.27, 5.28, 5.29. Next we have 5.24, 5.23, 5.22, 5.21. So next number here we have 5.28. so this 28 after we have 2, so it will come between 5.29 and 5.28. so we need to focus on that 5.28 and 5.29. so now you should expand this 5.28, 5.29. let's check 0 0. So middle number we have 5.285. so this we have 5.284, 5.283, 5.282, 5.281. this is we have 5.286, so on 87, 87, 88, 89 and 90. So we have 5.282. so this is our required number, that is 5.282. Subscribe my channel to get more notifications from grade 9th class textbook. Thank you for watching my video.